Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black, yellow, and white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have a medium-sized piece of string. And if you ever run out of string, you can always add more on. For these smaller projects, I just like to use like scraps that I have left from other projects. But if you don't have any of those, then you'll just cut what you need. You're going to start with 2 yellow and just let those fall to the middle. You're going to add a black. The string will go through both. You're going to add yellow on both sides. Black that goes through both. Yellow on both sides. Black that goes through both. Yellow on both sides. Black that goes through both. And yellow on both sides. Now what you're going to do is hold this string and pull the other one. And then you can pull these and just keep pulling the long string. This is what it looks like. You can tie these together. You'll cut the small end off. You can put your needle on the long end. And we're going to go through this yellow here. You're going to add black. Well, this whole row will be black until we get to the end. This one will be yellow. Okay, so we added 3 black and 1 yellow. We're gonna go through this yellow, add a yellow. These will be black here. Okay, we're going to go through these 2 here. You're going to add yellow, another yellow, and another yellow. We're going to go down this black and yellow. Up this yellow and then down this one. So all we're doing is making a path to come out of this yellow. You're going to add two white. We're going to go down this yellow and this black, up this black, and then down the white. You're going to add white. We're going to add another white and another white. This time we're going to go down the white and this yellow. You're going to go up these 2 white and then down this white. You're going to add a white. We're going to go through this white and then down this black and yellow. we're going to go down this yellow 2. We're going to add 2 black, and you're going to go, sorry about that, so we added the 2 black here. I'll redo that. So we added the 2 black here. You're going to take your needle and go through the second black bead. Okay, and then we're going to go through this yellow, and you're also going to go through these 2 yellow. We're going to add a yellow, another yellow, and another yellow. And you can go through this yellow here and we can tie it. Well, string's getting so small. Just enough. Cut that off. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.